Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to disable the auto suggestion in iPhone for the WhatsApp or other places also. So by default WhatsApp or the application doesn't provide you the facility of auto correction disable. We have to do it disabling from our keyboard. So for that we have to go to the settings, scroll up, and then you will find the general section. In the general section, when you scroll up, you will find the option of keyboard. In the keyboard you will find the option of auto correction. So if you want to enable it, so that you can simply enable it by clicking over here, or you want to disable it, simply disable it. If you disable it, you will not get the auto correction in the iPhone anymore. So see you guys in another video. That's all in this video. Subscribe for more videos on iPhone and Android tech.